Hi guys! Welcome sa Asset 9. In this video ay magsasolve na naman tayo ng isang math challenge problem. Yung problem natin ngayon ay to expand and simplify quantity x plus 1 over x to the fifth. Now, if you want to pause the video and solve on your own, ay pwede nyo i-pause ngayon. Tapos balik kayo mamaya to see if your answer is correct. Alright? So, of course, you can solve this by brute force, no? I-multiply nyo ng 5 beses, no? But we wouldn't want to do that. Ang pwede natin gawin ay gamitin yung Pascal's triangle para makuha natin yung coefficient ng mga terms, no? If you're familiar with Pascal's triangle, yung 1, and then 1, 1, and then 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Bali, if we add the two adjacent numbers, yung magiging sum, yun yung nasa ibaba, no? So, for example, 1 plus 2 is 3, and then 3 plus 3 is 6, and then here, 1 plus 3 is 4. And for the fifth row, we have 1, 1 plus 4 is 5, 4 plus 6 is 10, and then this is also 10, this is 5, and this is 1. Now, ano kinalaman ng Pascal's triangle sa question natin, no? Now, the Pascal's triangle is actually the numerical coefficients of the expansion of x plus y quantity raised to n, no? Where n is an integer. For example, yung sa 1, this is x plus y raised to the 0. So that's just 1. Any expression raised to 0 is 1. And then this one is x plus y to the first power, which is equal to x plus y. So, yung coefficient niyan, 1 tsaka 1, di ba? Ito yan, yung 1 ito, saka yung 1 ay ito. Right? Sa 1 to 1, magiging x plus y squared. This is x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Di ba? So, 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. Right? So I think you get the idea. This row is x plus y cubed. This one is x plus y to the fourth. And this row, ito yung kailangan natin kasi raised to the fifth yung ating question. So ibig sabihin, we have x plus y raised to the fifth is equal to 1, yung kanyang numerical coefficient, we have 1, we have 5, we have 10, we have 10, we have 5, and we have 1. Kung i-expand pa natin yung x plus y cubed, that is equal to x cubed plus 3x squared y plus 3xy squared plus y cubed. Anong napapansin nyo doon sa powers ng x? X cubed, x squared, x, tapos nawala na siya dito. Pwede natin lagyan ng x to the 0. Ang x ay bumababa yung power niya, no? So, anong pinakamataas niya? Yung 3, which is the same as this one. So, pwede natin lagyan ng x to the 5th, tapos x to the 4th, pababa, x cubed, x squared, x to the first power, tsaka x to the 0, which is wala na, no? Magiging 1 yan, so pwede na natin huwag isulat. Sug natin konti. So, ano naman napapansin nyo sa powers ng y, no? Yung y, wala tayong y dito sa una. Meron tayong y squared, and then y cubed. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Increasing naman yung powers ng y. So, wala tayong y sa first term kasi y to the 0 yan. Wala tayong y dito. So, magiging y to the first power, and then y to the second power, and y to the third power, y to the fourth power, and yung last ay y to the fifth power. Now, since plus naman ito, x plus y, expected na plus yung nandito lahat. Okay? So, simplifying, we have x plus y to the fifth is equal to 1x to the fifth is just x to the fifth plus 5x to the fourth. Ang y to the first power ay y lang yan. plus 10x cubed y squared plus 10x squared y cubed plus 5x to the first power times y to the fourth. Xy to the fourth lang yan plus y to the fifth. Right? So, paano na natin kukunin yung x plus 1 over x raised to the fifth? Papalitan lang natin yung y ng 1 over x. No? So, lahat ng y, papalitan natin yan ng 1 over x. So, x plus 1 over x to the fifth is equal to x to the fifth plus 5x to the fourth times 1 over x. So, yung y magiging 1 over x. Plus 10x cubed times 1 over x squared. Anong 1 over x squared? This is just 1 over x squared, no? Kasi i-square natin yung numerator, square natin yung denominator, magiging 1 over x squared na siya. So, pwede na natin ilagay na 1 over x squared ito. Plus 10x squared times 1 over x cubed for the same reason. And then plus 5x y to the fourth is just 1 over x to the fourth. And then plus y to the fifth is just 1 over x to the fifth. Pwede ba tayo mag-cancel? So this is equal to x to the fifth plus, pwede tayo mag-cancel x to the fourth tsaka x. May matitirang x cubed. So magiging 5x cubed plus ang 10x cubed tsaka x squared. Cancel yung x squared. May matitirang x. So 10x plus yung x squared tsaka x cubed. Mas maraming ng isang x yung denominator, no? So magiging 10 over x, no? And then we have plus yung 5x tsaka x to the fourth. May matitirang x cubed sa denominator, 5 over x cubed, and then plus 1 over x to the fifth. Alright, so actually tama na to, no? But if you want it simplified, gusto nyo gawing isang fraction, pwede naman, no? We can extend a bit. So gusto nating gawing isang fraction, no? Siguro burahin na lang yata natin to. Pag gusto nyo gawing fraction yan, the LCD, pinakamalaking exponent, no? Para pwede niyang i-divide lahat. X to the fifth divided by 1 times x to the fifth, that's x to the 10th, plus x to the fifth divided by 1 times 5x cubed, that's 5x to the 8th, plus x to the fifth divided by 1 times 10x, that's 10x to the 6th, plus x to the fifth divided by x, that's x to the fourth times 10, and x to the fourth, plus x to the fifth divided by x cubed, x squared, matitira 5x squared, and sa huli, meron tayong plus 1. X to the fifth divided by x to the fifth is 1 times 1 is just 1. By the way, this is 6. Itin lang natin. So ito na yung pinakasagot natin. Alright, so sana nag-enjoy kayo dito sa ating math challenge. Siguro I'll discuss the Pascal's triangle in one of the series, no, in the near future. So abangan nyo lang. Alright, maraming salamat. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating video. Huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe, no, and click the bell para ma-notify kayo every time na may bago tayong video. And of course, don't forget to invite your friends. I'll see you in the next video.